Hello. So this is a concept that is asked in IPMAT exams, IPMAT Indore exams. The concept is based on logarithms, and the question that is asked is count or find the number of digits in this number. So the meaning of this question essentially is when we expand 2 raised to 200, so it will be a huge number, right? So we need to count the number of digits in that number. For example, if we expand 2 raised to 10, so it is 1024. So the number of, if the question is find the number of digits in 2 raised to 10, then the answer will be 4 digits because 1024 is a number with 4 digits. So if the question is find the number of digits in 2 power 10, your answer will be 4. Similarly, we need to find the number of digits in 2 power 200, right? So because 2 power 10 is a common knowledge, the answer is 1024. The expansion is 1024, hence the number of digits is 4. That is why we can easily answer this. But here, what will be the expansion of this huge power? We don't know that. So the question is, how do we get the number of digits in such numbers? Of course, we cannot get to the exact expansion and then count the number of digits. वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो हाउ डू वी डू दैट? तो इसके लिए वी टेक द हेल्प ऑफ लॉग. सो वी नॉर्मली राइट दैट नंबर as equal to some number. So a is 2 raised to 200. Now we take this number as log. So log a is log 2 raised to 200. तो यहाँ पे I will take a stop and then we will discuss what is log. So there are some properties of log. I am sure you know those properties. If it is log a power m with any base, so it becomes m log base a, right? So here I can use that property, so it becomes 200 log 2. So this comes from the properties of log. If you don't know that, so you will have to separately see a video on properties of log. So log a. So log a is 200 log 2. So we will take a pause here and then we will understand what is the value of log and what is the value of log 2, right? So for that we have this logarithmic table here. So in this table, you can find this table on the internet or at the back of many mathematics or science books. We need to find the value of log 2. So the thing about log is we don't have any 2 here, we have 20 only, right? So we have numbers in this column which start from 10 and they go to 99. With the help of these 90 numbers from 10 to 99, we can write the value of any log, even if it is a single digit number, right? So here we don't have 2, but we have 20. So in front of 20, what we have? 3010. So probably you will not be able to see this in this video. This is very small. I can think of expanding it, but still. So here we have 20 and here we have 3010. So the value of log 20 is, log 20 can be written as 3010, right? So value of 20 is 3010, but value of log 20 is not exactly 3010, it is slightly different. So here come the properties of log, right? So I will now scroll these tables. I will come back to them. So we found that 20 and in front of 20 there was 3010. So the question is, how do we write the value of log 20 or log 2? So the property of log is, if you want to write the value of log 2, 2 is a single digit number, right? So if it is a single digit number, when you write the value of this, you will put a 0 here and point and then this value 3010. So this is the value of log 2. Because we had a one digit number here, that is why there was a 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Had this been log 20, we would have got the same result after decimal, but before decimal kya hoga? Because it is a 2 digit number, Here I will write 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Here it was 1 digit number, 1 minus 1, 0. Here it is a 2 digit number, so 2 minus 1, so 1. So 1.3010. Had this been 200, log 200, अगर log 200 की वैल्यू हम लिखें, so it is a 3 digit number. So because it is a 3 digit number, here I will put 3 minus 1, 2. Then a point and then the value of log, which is 3010. So that is how the values of log are written, right? So we can, if we go the other way around, अगर एक log वैल्यू है जिसमें यहाँ पे 2 लिखा हुआ है, that means वो नंबर में कितने डिजिट्स होंगे? 3 डिजिट्स होंगे, राइट? अगर एक log वैल्यू है जिसमें यहाँ पे 1 है, that means वो नंबर में कितने डिजिट्स होंगे? 2 डिजिट्स होंगे. Similarly, if a number has 0 here before decimal, then the number would be of 1 digit. So that is the rule. We can take some other examples. If in this table I take the value of 30, so in front of 30 we have 4771. So I can say 34771. So that means we can write the value of log 3, log 30, log 300, all these values. All of them will use the same result, but the digit before decimal will be different. Here we have one digit number, so the result will have 0, 0.4771. Here it is a 2 digit number, so the result will have 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 4771. Here it is a 3 digit number, so 3 minus 1, 2. So the result will have a 2. So 2.4771. So that is how we write the values in log, right? Now if we discuss it the other way around, if I have a number and its log value is, let us say, 5 point something, 5 point something. So there is a number, its log value is 5 point something. Then what can we say about the number of digits in A? Number of digits in A. That will be, because we have a 5 here in the log value, the actual number will have 6 digits. That is why we have 5 point something. Here we had a single digit number, so it was 0 point something, 2 digit number, 1 point something, 3 digit number, 2 point something. So if it is a 6 digit number, 5 point something. So that is the rule, right? So now if we need to find the value of the number of digits in value of number of digits in 2 raised to 200. So A was 2 raised to 200. Log A is log 2 raised to 200. 200 comes to the front. For this I told you the property. Log A raised to M is M log A. So 200 log 2. Now log 2 is, we have just discussed above, log 2 is 0.3010. Log 2 is 0.3010. Hence I can say this will be 200 times 0.3010. So if you multiply this, so 0.206. So what we can do is, this will be 60.20. 60.20. So there is a number A, its log value is 16 point something. So the number of digits in A, what can we say about the number of digits in A? That will be 60 plus 1, 61, right? So that is the answer. So that is how we can find the number of digits in any large numbered power using log in this manner, right? I can take one more example. If you need to find the number of digits in, let us say, 3 raised to 70. So again I will assume this number as A. A is 3 raised to 70. So log A is log 3 raised to 70 or 70 times log 3. Now we need to find the value of log 3, which we have discussed in this video as log 3 is 0.4771. So 70 times 0.4771, right? So 70. So if you multiply this, so what do we get? 7, 9, 3 and 33. So I can put a decimal here. So log A is 33 point something, hence number of digits in A will be 33 plus 1, 34. So number of digits in will be 34. So that way you can find the number of digits in any number with very large power. So I will take one more example. If you need to find the number of digits in A equal to 7 raised to 80. So now we will have to find the value of log 7. So log A is 80 log 7. Now we need to find the value of log 7. For that we will go back to our log tables. So because we will not have a 7 here, we will have to find for 70. We will have to look for 70. So 70 is on this page. So 70 is here and its value is 8451. So you may have to use a log table for solving these questions. Otherwise, whatever log value is required to solve that question, that should be given in the question itself, right? Otherwise, you will have to use a log table. So log 7 was, I forgot the value. Log 70 was 8451. So I can say log A will be 80 times 0.8451. Again the same logic, because it is a single digit number. So when you write its log value, so it will have a 0 before decimal and after decimal the value that we got in the table. So that's how we get the value of log 7. So we multiply these two. So 8, 0, 6 and this. So it will be 70.6. Log A is 70.6. Hence A has how many digits? 70 plus 1, 71. Number of digits in A will be 71. So that's how we find the number of digits in a number with large power. I hope it is clear now.